Hi, my name is Tim Raftis. I'm a lead advisor with Insight Wealth Strategies in San Ramon, California. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the risk tolerance questionnaire. What is it and why do we use it? So the risk tolerance questionnaire is a survey that we have new clients as well as existing clients fill out. We typically send it to them online. It's 10 to 15 questions, takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Once it's completed, it gets submitted and comes back to us online. We review the results. It establishes a score that kind of ranks how aggressive your risk profile is. And then we review that with our client. And with new clients, we establish what the asset allocation should be for their portfolio, whether they have a more aggressive risk profile and therefore would be more heavily weighted towards stocks than bonds, or they may be more conservative and we would have less allocation to stocks, more to bonds. So some of the questions that we're looking to have answered are kind of what is your capacity for risk, and we find that out by asking about your income level, and what your total assets are. What does this money represent in terms of your overall assets? Your time horizon. So are you a young investor who has a longer time horizon and therefore can weather the ups and downs of the stock market? Or are you someone who's nearing retirement or in retirement and doesn't have a long time horizon, will be needing to take funds out of the portfolio sooner than later? And what types of goals are you looking to achieve with this money? And what type of risk are you going to need to take in order to achieve those goals? We look at your comfort level. Are you willing to experience short-term losses for longer-term gains? In a down market, you're typically looking to buy more investments, do nothing, or sell some or all of your investments. And lastly, are you losing sleep at night? This is an indicator that you may be too aggressive in terms of your asset allocation. And so we discuss this with our client. And for existing clients, we have them fill this out every year, and we compare it to what their previous risk profile, risk questionnaire results showed. And if there's a change in terms of the overall score, we kind of discuss why it is different this time than it was last time they filled it out. And from there, for existing clients, we'll take a look at their current asset allocation and make a determination of whether we should get more or less aggressive in the portfolio. We also use this risk tolerance questionnaire in conjunction with our investment policy statement. And this is just an agreement between the client and the advisor in terms of how the client wants their portfolio managed. So it establishes that allocation to stocks versus bonds, the time horizon, and how soon they're going to need to start taking money out. So yeah, that's the risk tolerance questionnaire, and hopefully that helped answer some of your questions.